In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view blocked senders in Outlook. This is a quick way to understand why certain emails aren't getting through and to confirm which addresses and domains you've told Outlook to block. We're not making any changes today, just finding and viewing the list, so you can make informed decisions later if needed. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft.com. This ensures you're starting from the official Microsoft homepage, which keeps things consistent no matter where you're working. On the top navigation, look for the link labeled All Microsoft. Click that to see a full list of Microsoft products and services. From there, select Outlook. That will take you to the Outlook page. Go ahead and click Sign In, then sign in with your account to access your mailbox. Once you're in Outlook, look toward the top left area and click File. This is your gateway to the app's controls and preferences. Next, choose Settings. Think of Settings as the place where Outlook keeps all the customization options that affect how your email behaves. Inside Settings, select Mail. The Mail section groups everything related to composing, receiving, and filtering messages, so it's the right place to be. Within Mail, click Junk Mail. These are the controls Outlook uses to decide what to treat as junk or to block outright. It's worth knowing that junk filtering and blocking are separate ideas. Junk moves messages to a folder for review, while blocking prevents them from getting through at all. Now scroll down to blocked senders and domains. This section is where Outlook keeps the list of email addresses and entire domains that you've chosen to block. Click to open the list. You'll now see the entries themselves, individual email addresses, and any domains you've blocked. If an expected message isn't reaching your inbox, spotting an address or domain here can immediately explain why. At this point, you've successfully reached and viewed your blocked senders and domains. Take a moment to review what's listed so you know exactly what Outlook is stopping. If you see something that surprises you, make a note to adjust it later according to your preferences and policies. For now, you've completed the task of locating and viewing the list, which is often all you need to diagnose delivery issues. That's it for today's walkthrough. If this was helpful, please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.